Hey guys, I'm Shelby Burton, and I can't wait to share with you how did my acne and irritation start to heal in less than 60 hours. I can't wait to show how when I was looking to actually lose inflammation and a few pounds led to clear skin in 60 hours. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so if you haven't already, please make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button, and that way you guys can make sure you get notifications for any new videos that come out. I'm going to be doing a whole series on this because I have a crazy journey with my acne. So, and you can always make sure that you comment below if you have any questions or comments. So how did I go from this to this in less than 60 hours? I know it sounds crazy, but it truly is like amazing. And it's something that I never thought of. And that's fasting. You guys, I know it sounds crazy and it's so simple, but truly it really works. So I've been doing this now over probably a year and a half, and I've had amazing results. So let's kind of rewind and go back to why my skin was totally broken out like that and why it was irritated. Because for the last, I want to say almost 2 years, my skin has improved so much just because of the stuff that I'm drinking. And no, I didn't set out to have clear skin. That was like not even one of the results that I was, focused on when I started down this journey. I was actually focused on some fat loss and definitely more energy, right? Like having that amazing energy. And of course, I did get those results, but today I'm talking to you about my skin. So what happened? Okay, so after all my acne had cleared up, I had beautifully clear skin. However, I noticed that now the acne was gone, I saw discoloration. So unfortunately, I know it sounds probably vain, but to me, it was one of these things that I've always dreamed about, having clear skin, right? That smooth, soft, baby skin. And I haven't never had that since I hit my teens. Even into, I'm 40 now, so even today, I still had struggled with adult acne. And so the last 2 years, having it clear and not having to worry about it, and just realizing how simple it was to get clear skin, I now had another problem that needed to be solved, right? And that was the discoloration and also a little bit of dark spots. So what happened is I decided to go down that journey to remove them. And I'll be doing a whole series on that, so make sure you follow and subscribe and hear more about that journey. But quick story is that basically with my Medi Spa, the procedure to remove the discoloration was very intense. It was lasers, it was peels, and it was major, intense cream that went with this stuff. And so I started using the cream, and lo and behold, I was completely allergic to it. Now, yes, I had told, them that I have very sensitive skin from all the stuff I've done before to get rid of my acne. And so unfortunately, it completely broke me out. I mean, irritation and cysts. And so that's what you see up here in this picture. And so unfortunately, I just had this amazing transformation with doing a 60-hour reboot. Now, I know that there's healing factors in fasting and doing our reboot because I've seen it before, especially on occasions where I wasn't eating very well and my skin started to act up, or it was that time of the month and my hormones were going crazy, or just stress or anything. But I've always noticed that my body had always healed, during these 60 hours. And this was like the perfect test, right? So I started it, and as you can see, I had horrible cysts. The pus and everything. And then within 60 hours, it started to heal and was barely noticeable. It started to go away, the redness, the bumps, everything. It was amazing. So basically, what I know, 60-hour fasting sounds pretty crazy, right? And I agree with you. Like when I first heard that, when the company I work for first came out with it, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna do this. There's no way. So I didn't do it, right? And then so like all these people were having amazing results with, you know, losing that little bit of extra pounds on the scale, or feeling better, losing bloating in their stomach, losing the inflammation, just having a clearer head, right? So I thought, okay, I'm gonna give this a try, right? So when I did, oh my gosh, it was amazing. Like I couldn't even believe it that I could go even 4 hours without food, 6 hours, and then to 60 hours with food. It was amazing. So, you know, it was really crazy that not only the like results of it really showed me that I had control over food, but it really healed my skin. Coming out of it, it was like I had glowing skin, and I had noticed that it was amazing. So you guys, I was not starving myself. I know that's usually like the first question I get is like, well, that can't be healthy because you're starving yourself, right? Well, you guys, I use a kit. It's called a Reboot Kit. If you want more information on that, I'll place the link down below, or comment and ask questions, or you can always message me. But I use a kit, so it gives me all the nutrients and the minerals that my body needs. But what happens is, and there's all this like science-y stuff behind it, and I can give you a ton of, you know, the doctor information if you want that. But I'm going to explain it to you in Shelby terms. Just because for me, like I was like, how can this work? How can this help cure my body? How can it help bring my skin to looking younger and clear up my acne? And so basically what happens is when you do a fast, even when you intermittent fast, and I do that now, which I love, it's amazing, is that it gives your body time to, I'm gonna say, relax. It gives your body time to focus on the healing. Now, you know, I always believe in this, that healthy starts from the inside, right? And so basically that is what it is. What happens is when you're not putting food in your body doesn't have to continually digest and break it down and really focus on what's coming in. So when there's no food coming in, but yet with this kit, you're still drinking, you know, your water, and we're drinking our nat, and we're drinking our better broth, that really gives you the nutrients. So your body isn't starving. But what it's doing is it's giving it time to relax so it can focus on the areas that need to be repaired. So what happens is your body goes in and says, okay, we don't need this junk, let's get rid of it. So obviously it flushes it out. And then what it does is it gets rid of all those dead cells, and it starts to make new cells, because it's no longer an overdrive on trying to digest and, oh, what is she now putting in her mouth again today, you know? So it lets your body relax, and it reproduces new cells. Hence, the healing of the old cells getting gone, bright new skin, less inflammation, you lose that bloating because it's getting washed away. And so what happens is you have, you know, amazing, younger looking skin. And with me, I just loved that, you know, that the acne was gone, you know, because it really did focus on getting it out. So that's kind of what your body is doing. It's allowing the inflammation to go down, and that's what acne is. Acne is inflammation in your skin cells. So when it's irritated or inflamed, to get that to go down, you really have to treat it as inflammation. So along with the monthly reboot, you know, I have started drinking our amazing technology, which really helped get that boost of curing my acne down, and it's also helping my son, so I'm really excited about that. But really, you know, what is so cool about this is everything is there for you. It's very simple. And again, I am not starving myself. All of this stuff right here comes in the kit. So you have everything that you need. So I wanted to share with you guys how in 60 hours, like, it really does help your body in so many ways that it was mind-blowing, because I was one of those people that was so out there thinking there's no way that this is possible. But I can definitely tell you as proof that you can see that it really does work. So again, that's it. You know, I'll be doing another reboot this month. So if you want to do it with me, I would so love that. The reboot kits will be available this week. So I'll put the information again down in the description. Normally they're available the first week of every month. So if you have more questions, reach out to me. I'm always here to answer. And if I don't know the answers, you know I will find them and get them to you. And again, if you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button, okay? And let me know your thoughts and comments in the comments below. You know, if you got value from this, if you have any questions, you know, if you want more information on this 60-hour fast, you can always email me, or you can click the link in the button, click the link below. And here's to healthy, clear skin, right, guys? All right, have a wonderful day.